Hi, this is a quick tip from Cliff. We're going to today talk about pit mode control from a Taranis QX7, and it'll be controlling an HGLRC Batman 220 drone. Alright, so first things first, I've got my drone here, and no blades, safety first. And don't forget to wear your safety glasses, you need those too. The intent here is that when you turn on your Taranis,
welcome to Open
it's going to do pre-flight.
Warning.
So that's throttle warning.
Switch warning.
Down. Now let's see the switch warning. It's saying switch 2 needs to be turned. Where I find the detent there, it goes on. Goes to that point. So that's what I'm going to use to control pit mode. So going to the configuration. To do the pre-flight, you turn on this where it says pot warning. Turn it on. I use manual. Turn switch 1 off, which is the first one. Turn switch 2 on. Go to the mixers. I use channel 8, so I have switch 2 going to channel 8. Beta flight, this is HGLRC. The VTX on that one is using this protocol for peripherals. IRC Tramp seems to work on UART 3, and that was already done, so it's a pre-configured quad. And then in the modes, all the way down here in the bottom, you see this VTX pit mode, Beta flight 3.4.0. So what I did is set on VTX mode, coming on aux 4, which is the channel 8. So when that switch is in the center, okay. So now you can see that says 1500. And if I move this switch, if I turn this, you'll see that little thing on the bottom move back and forth. So when it's in the center, you can see that lights up. So that goes to VTX mode when it's in the center. So anywhere out of the center, it's not in VTX mode. So you won't be able to see what's going on, but you can at least see that there's an image there. And then if I go to pit mode, you can see it goes to nearly static. And then out of pit mode, it goes to a clear signal. In pit mode, you really have to get it close to be able to get it to show up. So there you go. That's how I do pit mode, and I do that because I want to make sure that the VTX is not in full power mode when I'm not using it, so that way it doesn't overheat. And if I'm sitting there waiting for a long time for some reason, then it's not. And I used the twisty knob because I had it on this switch, but I was afraid in flight it was going to get hit and cause a problem, so I put on here. I figured it's pretty doubtful that that's going to get turned.
Sensor lost.
Shut up.
Telemetry lost.